Good day, wonderful people, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you for being here. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And this is Chima Matter Spiritual TV. On this channel, it's all about spirituality. We share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages, messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to defeat your enemies, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problem using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors. Also using natural ingredients, natural plants, natural roots, natural herbs, natural materials that God has created, harnessing their spiritual energies, frequencies, and vibration in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. And if this is your first time of joining us, please consider subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get notified. Like my videos, share my videos, comment on the comment section. And for those of you who are my day one gag, who are my bona fide subscribers, my returning subscribers, those that has brought me this far, those that has been patronizing me in money and in kind, those of you who has been trusting me with money to do spiritual work for them, and those of you who has been buying my spiritual materials, I pray for you that this year 2024 my God is going to bless you. What about those who has been calling me to testify what God is using me to do on here? Those who has been introducing me to people, most of you who live in the US, most of you who live in Germany, in Australia, I say may my God continue to bless you. You will never cast and carry, and you will never suffer for what you did not know. In today's video, I want to share with us what you should do if somebody has sworn that you will never make it in this life. If somebody has sworn that you will never get married, yes. If somebody has sworn that you will never see the end of this year, if somebody has sworn that you will never amount to nothing in this world, if somebody has sworn that you will never get married, if somebody has sworn that your children would be useless for you, if somebody has sworn that they must kill you in this life, some of you, people has come to you physically and say it to your face that you must die, that you will never make it. They have been threatening you because they met business. That is why I am bringing all this video. If somebody has threatening you that you will never make it, that he must kill you, and you don't know what to do, you don't even have anybody to complain to, you have been intimidated, and you have cried to God, you have begged, even you have gone to beg the person for forgiveness to return his or her words, but he refuses. Don't cry again. Many people are fond of humiliating people with spiritual powers, with physical powers, because they are highly placed, maybe because they are rich. Yes, and they keep intimidating people around them because of their powers. If you are among the people who has been humiliated, or people tormenting you physically and spiritually, please do this recipe within the interval of 7 days. If that person is not careful, he or she will no longer be found on the planet of the earth. So don't use this recipe on anybody who has never done anything to you. Let it be that you are doing this to return evil back to sender. I call this a very powerful protection and back to sender spell, and it works within 7 days, interval of 4 days to 7 days. Yes, this is going to work. So what you are going to be needing on this recipe is a nail that is rusticated. Nails are powerful to nail our enemies to their grave, or to nail them to the wall, depending on how you want it to be. Just follow on the instruction. Another thing you are going to be needing is your garlic. Garlic is very powerful, spiritually and physically. You will use it to destroy an evil person that is tormenting our life. Another thing you will be needing is a piece of paper where you are supposed to be writing the name of the enemy, the name of that person, that particular person who have come to your face and say you will never make it in life, who has said your children will be useless in life, who has sworn that nothing you do that will work for you. That person who has sworn that you will never get married, you will be needing a sheet of paper where you will be writing the name of your enemy. Another item you will be needing is a red thread. A red thread or a ribbon that you will be used to band the name on the nail and the garlic. So you will be needing a red thread or a red ribbon. So you either get a red thread like this or a red ribbon. That is if you want to get this recipe in a perfect form. When all these materials are provided, what you are going to do first, you are going to write that person's name and make sure you are going to know the person's name. But this particular spear requires the person's name. That person has told you that you are going to leave this office for him or her because you are against them. Yes, and they have been start coming after you. All you need is to write their name. In that your office that they want you to leave, that particular person that wants you to leave that company for him because you don't support evil, write the person's name. Don't let anybody intimidate you this year as long as your hand is clean. And this is not fetish. If you think this fetish, don't do it. So write that person's name that keep humiliating you, that person that keep intimidating you, that person that keep insulting you, telling you that you will die, telling you you will train your children and they will never train you. Those that have sworn that all your siblings and children will be useless. Those people that sworn that your marriage will be shattered. Those people that sworn that the money you are making will be useless in your hand. Write their name on this sheet of paper. If there are more than one, write it. If there are 10, write their name on this paper. And make no mistake. Those people that want to take over your property because they feel they have powers, they are connected, they are rich, they have connection that people that can judge on their behalf. Yes, they have people that will be effective witnesses for you. Write that person's name on this place. Write those your unfriendly friends, their names. Write it. Then after writing their name on this sheet of paper, get your garlic and peel it like this. Peel it. Then you get the paper. You fold the names. As you are folding this paper, you say all the names that I have written here, both the ones I remembered and those that I did not remember. As long as you have a hand in my case, as long as you want me dead, as long as you want me sacked from the place of my work, as long as you keep tormenting me, as long as you want to take what belongs to me, it shall never be lowered with you. You will be the one to suffer all your wishes against me. You will suffer more than that. In the name of Jesus. As you are wishing me death, you will die before me. As you are wishing me stagnation, stagnation will follow you. As you are wishing me bad luck will follow you. As you are wishing me hardship, hardship will follow you. As you are wishing me death, death will follow you. All your evil plans against me and my children and my family and my household, it will return back to you. Keep saying positivities. Keep commanding against that evil person. After folding your papers, you are going to fold your papers as you keep commanding things. You bring your garlic and you fix your garlic like this. You place the paper, the name of the people with your garlic. Then, look at this. You nail it. You nail it because this nail is to nail you to your grave, is to nail you to the earth where you belong, because you don't belong here. This nail is to eliminate you from this planet. You have to go back from where you are coming from. You will never come out of this problem. Then, as you have peeled the nail to the paper, look at what I'm doing. Look. You need to peel the names on the paper. Then after that, another item you will be needing is your red ribbon, your red thread. You are going to use this red thread to tie and bind your enemies, bind their evil thought, ban their evil doings against you. Then you start to tie it. As I am tying this, I am tying you, those of you that your names are here. You will never succeed more than me. All your evil doings will come back to you. As I am tying you, you will remain tied. The earth will never lose you. The spirit will never lose you. You have to tie it and tie it and tie it and tie it and tie it. After tying it like this, when you are done tying it with the red thread, I am coming. I have to bind them very well the way they will never lose. Whoever that is against me and my family, when you finish, you need to go and bury this to the earth. Or you find a tree and nail it and it will remain there. Whatsoever you have bound on earth will be bound in heaven. And whatsoever you have loose on earth will be loose on heaven. So you bury it to the earth or tie it upon the tree, nail it there. This prayer should be done at night. Yes. Within the interval of 4 days or 7 days, you do this prayer, you will start receiving results. You will hear your enemies crying. You will hear the death of your enemies, the announcement of the death of your enemies. At this junction, I have come to the end of this video. It is called Protection Spare and Back to Sender Spare. If you have never subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor, subscribe to the red button down below this video, like my videos, comment on the comment section, and share this video to your friends and your well-wishers. Share it to all over the world, and my God will bless you. And don't forget, we have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands, and a lot of people has been buying it. It has been from one testimony to the other. We have the road opening soap, we have the crowd pulling soap, we have the hand me not soap, we have the back to sender soap, we have the success soap, we have the love and attraction soap, we have the cleansing bad detox, we also have the equable plus detox, the anti-witchcraft poison remover, the moving object destroyer. This product is tested and trusted. Is something crawling all over your body? Is it moving all over your head? Is something moving inside your tummy like a snake? And you have been to the hospital, you have been to the doctors, and they diagnose, they see nothing. This is a spiritual problem, and I have the antidote to your problem. It is called a plus detox. Have you eaten something in the dream and it has become affliction of the devil? You are being sick day and night, and there is nothing the doctor is saying about it. Just contact me on my WhatsApp number +234 7088 136610 +234 7088 136610. We ship all part of the whole world. Europe, Asia, America, South America, Australia, Canada, wherever you are. Within the interval of 4 working days to 5 working days, whatsoever you order from me will get to your doorstep. We use DHL, EMS, and FedEx. And if you need me to do anything spiritually for you, if you need me to look into your life or into your spiritual problem, don't hesitate to call me. But remember, there is nothing free, even in free time. Even in free land, there is no free food. God bless you as you keep watching my video. This year shall be well with all of us, and so shall it be. See you in my next video. Bye for now.